Hi everyone! Today we are making an incredibly soft, fluffy milk bread with a rich flavor and a tender crumb. This bread is perfect for breakfast or a light snack, especially when enjoyed on its own or with tea or coffee. I will guide you step by step so you can get bakery-style results at home. Let's get started. These are the ingredients for this recipe. 375 grams bread flour, 4 grams instant yeast, 250 to 275 milliliter milk, 45 grams sugar, 4 grams salt, 30 grams butter. Take the milk and butter out of the refrigerator and let them come to room temperature. At the first step, add the milk, sugar, salt, instant yeast, and bread flour into a mixing bowl. One important tip: do not add all the milk at once. Reserve a little and add more only if the flour needs it. In baking recipe, you should never pour in all the liquid at once because different flours absorb moisture differently. You can knead the dough either using a stand mixer with a dough hook or by hand. Once the dough starts to come together, add the room temperature butter to it. As you can see in the video, our dough is ready. It's very soft and tender. One question that always comes up is when the dough kneaded enough. I have explained this in my previous video as well. The best way to check is the window pane test. At this stage, grease the bowl you have prepared for resting the dough. As you can see, the dough stretches beautifully without tearing. This is a clear sign of well-developed gluten and proper kneading. Place the dough on a lightly greased work surface, then gently tap it against the surface and fold it a few times. Shape it into a smooth ball, transfer it to the greased bowl, cover and let it rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour, the dough has almost doubled in size. At this stage, gently press the dough with your hands to release the excess air that has built up during fermentation. Now divide the dough into 9 equal portions and shape each piece into a smooth ball. Each dough ball weighs about 76 grams. Shape the portions very gently without pressing or tearing the dough. Line a baking tray with parchment paper or lightly greasy and place the dough balls on it with some space between them. For this, you can use a square or round mold if you like. Then cover the dough balls with a plastic bag lightly greased with oil and let them rest for 1 hour, then 30 to 1 hour and 45 minutes. After the final resting, gently remove the plastic bag from the dough. And as you can see in the video, the dough has puffed up perfectly. At this stage, sprinkle some flour over the dough. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Then bake the bread for 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure to check the bread exactly after 10 minutes. If it has turned golden, remove it from the oven. Now your bread is ready. When you take it out of the oven, place it on a cooling rack and let it cool completely before serving. Now our soft and fluffy milk bread is ready. Look at the golden color and the perfect texture, just like a bakery slide bread at home. I hope you enjoyed these step-by-step tutorials. If you try it at home, don't forget to leave a comment and share your results. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future baking tutorials. Thank you so much for watching and happy baking!